How to fix Instagram sign up problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps page right here and then go to the apps manager. I'm sorry. And after that you will find this page right here. You will find many apps. All what you have to do is click on Instagram, and after you click on it, then click on this force stop option, and then all what you have to do is go to this option. It's called storage, like this. Click on this option right here and this option too. It's called clear data and clear cache. Now the last thing you have to do is go to the permissions and make sure that those permissions are enabled. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful. See you later and thank you so much.